Good day guys. Welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on what do we mean by complementary angles and how to find a missing angle from a complementary angle. Make sure you watch the entire video to get a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. Now, first of all, let's understand what do we mean by a complementary angles. All right, guys. So complementary angles mean when two or more angles add up to a right angle. All right, guys. So again, right angle means 90 degrees. So what it means is when two or more than two angles add up to 90 degrees. All right, guys. Now let's take this knowledge and let's solve few questions right here. So if you take a look at this guys, so as you know that this sign means that it is a right angle, right guys, and this is a complementary angle also, as these two angles would add up to 90 degrees. So let's find the missing angle x here. So what we know from this question is x plus 37 should be equal to 90 degrees, right guys? 90 degrees, as complementary angles means angles adding up to 90 degrees. Now in order to find the value of x, I'm going to transpose this 37 to the other side. So x is equal to 90 minus 37, and 90 minus 37 would be equal to 53 degrees. Therefore the value of x in this question would be equal to 53 degrees. All right guys. Now in question number 2, what we see here is it's a complementary angle as it is a right angle, and we have three angles in this question. So again, let's use the same knowledge that we have. So these three angles add up to 90 degrees. So we have x plus 3 plus x minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 90 degrees, right guys? Now let's add up the like terms here. X plus x plus x will give us 3x, and 3 minus 1 plus 1 would give us plus 3, and this is all equal to 90 degrees, right guys? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transpose this 3 to the other side. So we would have 3x is equal to 90 minus 3, right guys? And 90 minus 3 is equal to 87. Now we are going to find the value of x and not 3x, right guys? So x is equal to 87 over 3, and 87 over 3 should give us 29 if my calculations are correct. Now let's take this value of x and substitute in the angle, right guys? So the first one what we have is 29 plus 3, which is equal to 32. In this one we have x minus 1, so 29 minus 1, which is equal to 28. And in this question what we have is x plus 1, so 29 plus 1, which is equal to 30 degrees. And of course when we add up all of these three angles, it will always add up to 90 degrees. And that is how we solve complementary angles question guys. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.